peach tree or the memory tree. Officially, it's called the Ceiba speciosa. Pregnant tree because it looks like it has a belly, as you can see. And why memory tree? Because you can see some flowers. Nowadays, autumn for us, no flowers. This is not normally, we'll have that in spring, right? Flowers all over. But these are trees that are originally from Brazil. And right now in Brazil, it is spring. So they remember that it is spring in their homeland, let's say it like that. And they'll bloom in autumn here in Europe. Okay?
Oh, that's interesting.
It has spikes, yes. No one can climb it. Oh, no. Well, you can, but only squirrels.
Okay. Okay, rabbit, so you still get pregnant.
Yeah. Go for it.
You first.
You have many children now.
Some are more pregnant than others.
You'll be having grandchildren.
Grandchildren are perfect.
Not children.
That's definitely
Maubos na ito, guys. Ha? Tapos may karap-karap ka. Malaki. Di nila makabuti. Ayaw nila yung sa atin nila. Adwa ata. Pwede rin ang mag-picture.
So you're about to stand? Yeah. Oh, so that's
Bang.
So what do we have over here? Across the street from us, we have the customs, so the aduana. Next to us, we have here a monument that is dedicated to the Battle of Lepanto. Lepanto was the battle that stopped the Ottomans, so coming from Turkey to invade Europe. And so we have this monument dedicated to that battle. And on your back, this is so the former shipyard. These were the shipyards already in the 13th century. Then they were used in the 15th, 16th century. And nowadays it's a local museum and exhibition. But it is a very, very nice building. Probably you saw some on my back. And there is a statue, well, some of you can see it, some of you cannot, of a gentleman pointing like this. Whenever we have in Spain a gentleman pointing out like that, it is normally Columbus. Okay? Does he always point out to the American, like the American? And as I told you, the news that we discovered is what a couple of 2 weeks ago, that was of Hard to see it, huh?
Dahil ko sa...
Let us continue.
Pwede daw akyatin pero hindi ko na.
Ha? Pero...
It has an elevator, a lift inside. One thing that I can tell you already in the lift, it is forbidden to fart. There's actually a sign saying that you're not allowed to fart in the lift.
Well, you couldn't. Mother Nature is growing.
We don't know it's wrong.
We're reaping
Dr. Rich.
When you gotta go, you gotta go.
Bawal na mag-park.
Eh, skip siguro. It's okay to fart than to sneeze nowadays because of COVID. Yeah, no? Yeah, I'd rather somebody fart not to sneeze because of the COVID before, you know. Kabal ka naman tayo sa Barcelona. Ay, binalot nila. No. Binalot nila. Hindi ka rin. Ah. Baka natatagtag. Naaga sila.
Paano Christopher Columbus?
Yeah. Regular sleep. Are you relaxed?
You stay here. Kasi you're in front of the
Mainit dito.
You stay here? You stay here.
Para hindi yung araw.
Araw. Oh, yun pala eh.
Yan.
Hurry up before it goes.
Oh my God, take a picture.
Tama, lakad tayo para yung
Maano yung tiyan.
tiyan mo, bababa yun.
Come. Oops. Ha? Alin? Ito? Yung DC. Mahal yan. Hinihila niya yung bus. Tinoto niya. Sira. Ito, truck.
Right where we started. What are you talking about? Right as where we started down the back of the sister.
Oh, right away?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was somewhere.
They just came out. She hit something. She got freaked out and she stayed with her until the guy started to drive her back and she didn't want to drive her back.
Oh, really?
So by that time, we are at the beginning of the Rambla. Okay, this street, we're going to see it's packed already with people in the middle. It's open to pedestrians. This is the beginning of the Rambla, and this same street ends at one of the
Parang dyan tayo na
Doon, dyan, sa gitna. Bumababa lang tayo. Balit na hotel.
Kasi malapit lang tayo dito. Ilalakad lang natin.
side to the right hand side. We have this rocky neighborhood of Barcelona. Do you all have maps? I have only one map. Somebody wants to
Para mag-view tayo.
go? What are we going to do? This spot right over here is going to be our meeting point. Okay. So it's very easy because it's at the end of the Rambla and at the back of Columbus. Okay. So this spot being, well, let's say 1 o'clock. We'll meet exactly over here.
That's a lot of
and then you have a lot of time, exactly. But this is the moment for you to do a couple of visits or to do your last shopping. 1 o'clock we'll meet over here. Then we walk over to the bus. We have lunch at 1:30 this afternoon.
Alauna in punto.
No te pierdas.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Not walk outside with your phone in your hands, okay? o'clock, you are free to go.
Just like our prisoners, when they release them, they run, and then after a few minutes, why you're here? They committed another crime. As soon as they step up, they'll just do, grab some food from the stores and they bring them back. Why you're back?
They're back again, huh?
You're back again. It's just I remember those days, you know.
Ano lang, magkikita tayo.
Alauna. Oh, 12:30, 12:45.
Anong oras tayo kakain?
Alauna, sa Sinambas, alauna, alas 2 na. Ang kainan, alas 8 na eh. Nabili ng ano, you'll see t-shirt. T-shirt ni Kayla. 2, 8. Wala na rin mapipicture dito, yun lang no. Pwede nang itago ito, di ba? Ay, doon lang, no, i-video ko lang para maubos yung kanyang SIM. Kaya sa kanyang elevator ba ako? Hindi, huwag ka na mag-picture, nandito naman to. Tago muna, para wala kang hawak. Dito ka sa gitna. Pag tinakbo mo, pag maraming kang kasamang tao. Huwag kayo mag-picture sa cellphone, hablot.